An elderly woman gave birth at the age of 70, and after some time, her husband revealed their secret. In a small picturesque village nestled amidst lush green valleys and rolling hills, there lived a remarkable woman named Amelia. She had lived a long and fulfilling life, experiencing both joy and sorrow along the way. Despite her age of 70, Amelia possessed an unwavering spirit and a heart filled with love. Her days were spent tending to her beautiful garden, sipping tea on her porch, and indulging in her passion for painting. Amelia had been married to her beloved husband, Benjamin, for over 50 years. They had built a life together, raising a family and creating cherished memories. However, there was a deep longing in Amelia's heart that had remained unfulfilled. She had always dreamt of becoming a mother, but circumstances had prevented her from realizing that dream. One fateful day, Amelia received news that would change her life forever. Against all odds, she discovered that she was pregnant. Astonishment and disbelief swept over her, followed by an overwhelming sense of joy. Her heart filled with the hope of finally experiencing the miracle of motherhood, even at her advanced age. Amelia shared the news with Benjamin, who, like her, was taken aback by the unexpected revelation. However, their love for each other was unshakable, and they embraced this new chapter of their lives with open hearts. Together, they embarked on a journey that would test their strength, resilience, and the power of their love. As the months passed, Amelia's pregnancy progressed with remarkable ease. Her doctor marveled at her health and the well-being of the unborn child. The townspeople, initially taken aback by the news, began to rally around the couple, offering support and encouragement during this unique and inspiring time. Amelia's pregnancy was not without its challenges. She experienced moments of fatigue and discomfort, but her determination to bring her child into the world kept her spirits high. Benjamin stood by her side, supporting her every step of the way, and ensuring that she had everything she needed for a healthy and happy pregnancy. Finally, the day arrived when Amelia gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. The cries of the newborn filled the room, echoing the overwhelming joy that washed over Amelia and Benjamin. They held their precious daughter in their arms, their hearts overflowing with love and gratitude for this incredible blessing. As the news of Amelia's late-in-life motherhood spread throughout the town, curiosity and admiration grew. The townspeople marveled at the strength and resilience of this extraordinary couple, but they couldn't help but wonder how it had come to pass. And so, after some time, Benjamin decided it was time to reveal their secret. Gathered in the town square, the villagers listened intently as Benjamin shared their remarkable journey. His voice trembled with emotion as he recounted the years of trying and the heartbreak they had experienced in their quest to become parents. He spoke of their unwavering love for each other, their refusal to give up hope, and the extraordinary events that led them to this moment. Benjamin revealed that they had been approached by a renowned fertility specialist, Dr. Elizabeth Morgan, who had dedicated her life to helping couples conceive against all odds. Dr. Morgan had been following Amelia and Benjamin's story and believed that they deserved a chance to experience the joy of parenthood. With her expertise and cutting-edge fertility treatments, she had made the seemingly impossible possible. Amelia and Benjamin had traveled to Dr. Morgan's clinic, where they underwent a series of tests and consultations. Despite their age, they were deemed healthy and fit to undergo a specialized IVF procedure. Dr. Morgan assured them that age was not an insurmountable barrier to their dream of parenthood, and that miracles could happen with the right medical intervention. With hope rekindled in their hearts, Amelia and Benjamin placed their trust in Dr. Morgan and embarked on the IVF process. It was a journey filled with anticipation and uncertainty, but they faced it together, their love and support providing strength during the trying times. Months of treatments and countless medical appointments passed by. There were moments of disappointment and frustration, but Amelia and Benjamin refused to lose faith. And then, the day came when they received the news they had been waiting for. Amelia was pregnant. The couple rejoiced, their hearts overflowing with gratitude and excitement. They knew that this miracle was a testament to their enduring love and the determination they had exhibited throughout their journey. The townspeople, upon learning the truth, embraced Amelia and Benjamin with open arms, showering them with love and support as they prepared to welcome their precious baby into the world. Amelia's pregnancy was a time of joy and anticipation for the entire village. The townspeople rallied together, organizing baby showers, knitting tiny clothes, and sharing stories of their own experiences with parenthood. It was a community united by love, hope, and the shared belief in the miracle unfolding in their midst. As the months went by, Amelia's belly grew round with life. She relished in every kick and flutter, marveling at the miracle of this little one growing inside her. Benjamin cherished each moment, his hand resting gently on Amelia's belly, feeling the rhythmic movements of their unborn child. The day of the long-awaited birth arrived, filling the village with excitement and anticipation. Amelia and Benjamin found solace in each other's presence as they made their way to the hospital, their hearts filled with a mix of nerves and overwhelming joy. In the delivery room, surrounded by a team of medical professionals, Amelia gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. The cries of the newborn filled the air, marking the arrival of a precious soul who had defied the odds to join this world. Tears streamed down Amelia's face as she held her daughter for the first time, her heart bursting with a love she had never known before. Word of the miraculous birth spread like wildfire throughout the town. The villagers celebrated this extraordinary event, rejoicing in the arrival of a new life that symbolized hope, resilience, and the power of love. They marveled at Amelia's strength and Benjamin's unwavering support, seeing in them an example of the heights that love and determination could reach. As years passed, the little girl, named Lily, grew into a remarkable young woman. She carried within her the love and tenacity of her parents, reminding the villagers of the extraordinary journey that had brought her into their lives. Amelia and Benjamin nurtured her with boundless love, instilling in her the values of compassion, resilience, and the belief that dreams could come true. Amelia's late-in-life motherhood became a source of inspiration and admiration for generations to come. Her story echoed through the years, reminding everyone that age should never be a barrier to love, hope, and the pursuit of one's dreams. The village continued to celebrate the extraordinary journey of Amelia, Benjamin, and Lily, their legacy forever etched in the fabric of their community. And so, in that small, picturesque village, love prevailed against all odds. The story of Amelia's late-in-life motherhood became a testament to the remarkable strength of the human spirit and the enduring power of love. It stood as a reminder that miracles could happen at any age, and that with faith, determination, and unwavering support, dreams could be realized beyond imagination.